Welcome to Drawlipper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to take full page screenshot or a long screenshot in your iPhone. Now if I open a page, now if you want to take a screenshot of this page, then you have to take a screenshot first. Then open the screenshot, and here you can see full page option, then just tap here. Now from here you can take full page screenshot. Then tap on done. Now here you can see two options, save to photos and save to PDF files. You can choose any option as you want. If I select save to photos, and it's done. Now if you want to find this screenshot, just open your Photos app, then tap on recent, and here it is. Now if I take a screenshot again, then open it, then tap on full page, then tap on done, then tap on save to PDF files, then choose a folder, then tap on save, then tap on replace, and it's done. Now if you want to find this PDF file, just open your Files app, then tap on browse, then tap on downloads, and here it is. And that is how you can take full page screenshot or a long screenshot on iPhone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.